Hi guys and welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to compare the battery life of my old Apple Watch Ultra 2 and my new Apple Watch Ultra 3. Keep in mind that my old Apple Watch is over 2 years old now, it has a lot of charging cycles. The Apple Watch Ultra 3, it's a brand new model, so it's a fresh watch. I suppose the battery life should be better, but let's find out. I'm starting my challenge, Apple Watch Ultra 2 versus Apple Watch Ultra 3. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. So it's now around 3 p.m. Both watches are charged at 100%. Let's start a outdoor walk workout. I will be walking using both watches disconnected from my iPhone for about 40 minutes and with always on display on, so everything is on. And let's find out what will happen to the battery life to both watches. By the way guys, let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite color of the Apple Watch Ultra. Do you prefer the natural titanium look or this black color? So 6 minutes later, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is still at 100%. Which is quite normal, it's a brand new watch. Let's have a look on my Ultra 2. 6 minutes later, it already lost 1%. It's now at 99% of battery life. I'm a little bit surprised because the battery drain started to be like really quick, but let's see what will happen later. 8 minutes later, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is still at 100%. My old Apple Watch Ultra 2 lost another percent. It's now at 98%. So it lost 2% in 20 minutes. It's pretty bad. 5 minutes later, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is still at 100%, and my Apple Watch Ultra 2 lost another percent. It's at 97%. I lost 3% in 30 minutes. Guys, the battery life on the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is really impressive. 30 minutes later, with a workout, it's still at 100%. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is good, considering that it's over 2 years old now, but it lost already 4% in around 30 minutes, which is quite a lot, about 1% per 10 minutes. I'll continue my walk, and in 20 minutes I'll finish my workout and we will check the battery life. Let's check the battery life on my Apple Watch Ultra 3 after 40 minutes of workout, and guys, it's still at 100%. It's really incredible. The Apple Watch Ultra 2, after 40 minutes of workout, the battery life is at 94%, so it lost about 6% in 40 minutes, which is quite a lot. Finally, over 1 hour later, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 lost 1%. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 lost 7%. But guys, keep in mind that my Ultra 2 is over 2 years old. I've been using it every day. It has over 600 charging cycles, something like that, so it's not bad. It's not bad for this watch. 5 minutes later, the Ultra 3 lost another percent. It's now at 98%. And my Ultra 2 is still at 93%. After 1 hour of using both watches with the always on display on, disconnected from my iPhone, the battery life difference is just 5%. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this result. 2 hours after starting my battery stress test, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is at 95%. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is at 91%, so the difference here is not so huge, just 4%. Knowing that my Ultra 2 is over 2 years old, I think it's not bad at all.
2 hours later.
Well, actually, not 2 hours later, but on the next morning, my Apple Watch Ultra 3 is at 71% and the Ultra 2 is at 60%. After one night of sleep tracking, wearing two watches in the evening and in the morning, You see, the difference here is just 11%. So in my opinion, if you already have the Ultra 2, keep it. It's the same watch. It has pretty much the same battery life. Don't waste your money. If you're looking for a new watch, get the Ultra 3. Although, if you want to save money, you can buy a second-hand Ultra 2. You'll be fully satisfied. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Peace.